Qualities, and that's what we're going to talk about Monday when you're gone. And I'll have video of the thing, but it's piece of cake. And then we're going to then apply it to real world situations. So that's basically where we're coming from today. So note-wise, I want this down first. So have you started?
Yeah.
Okay. When we graph linear inequalities, we're going to be given a system, an inequality in this arrangement. The first thing we have to do is solve for y. So, don't write anything down yet. Michael, put your pencil down, please. So, if I want to get y alone, what's my first step?
You have to subtract negative 2x.
You need to get the x term gone from this side. So how do we get it? Eliminate it.
Subtract 2x.
So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides, which gives us 3y is now less than a negative 2x plus 6. Now, how do you get rid of the 3?
Divide by 3.
Now, a couple of questions. In inequalities, what happens if I would divide by a negative?
The sign flips.
Switch the inequality symbol around. In this case, I don't need to. All right. Once I get it in this form, we have to graph the edge. This piece, basically what you want to think, the edge is really this guy. Where you think of it like with an equal sign. That is what the edge is. Then, you have to decide whether the edge is going to be solid or dotted. It will be solid if those two are your original inequality. It will be dotted if these two. So, will this one be solid or dotted?
Dotted.
Be dotted. Now, we have the edge. So we basically have a piece over here and a piece over here. One of those sides must be shaded. And to do that, we have to do a test. So what we'll do is we'll pick a point. We'll put the point in the original equation. If it's true, you're going to shade the side where the point is. But if it's false, you're going to shade the other side of the line. All right. I need you to write these steps down. This example is optional. So write down graph linear inequalities, and here are the steps, and write these down. And once you get those down, put your pencil down so I know that you are ready. I'm going to hand out everybody some graph paper. You'll need graph papers for Monday too.
Okay.
You guys have some of those late papers. You got any of them close?
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna come in today and.
After school, I can't, because I have to go to
Yeah.
concession stand.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go. But in studying hall, I'm gonna come in and I wanna ask you about papers.
Okay, that's fine. Do I need another light out,
Yeah.
you guys to see this?
Thank you.
Are we done yet?
Yeah.
Yes, we're ready?
Yeah.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a problem. And here is our steps again that we had before. Here is our equation. Now notice I've already gone ahead and I have it in the y form. So when I graph this, where do I start?
2.
Okay, everybody remembers we start where the y-axis, and we start right here. How do I find another point?
Go down
Down
1.
1 and right 3. So if I go down 1 and right 3, down 1 and right 3, and then these two others over here. All right. So before I draw my line, should it be dotted or solid?
Solid.
Should be solid, so I'm going to put my line in it, and you guys will use your ruler so you'll make a nice, neat line. Now, we need to test. We need to do the test the point. Remember, when you pick a point, it cannot be on the edge. What's the easiest point we could use that's not on that edge?
0, 0.
0, 0. So I'm going to use that as my test. If it is true, I'm going to shade all down here. If it is false, I'm going to shade up here. You got the idea of how it works? So here it is, 0, 0, and if my answer is true, I'll shade here. All right, so if I go back in here and I'll place 0 is greater than or equal to, and that'll be my question, a negative 1/3 times 0 plus 2, is 0 greater than or equal to 2?
No.
So it is false. So which side do I shade?
The top side.
Shade this side.
Do you want us to like color the entire thing or just like?
Yeah, I have to do better.
Miss J, can I go?